Hello there. I'm Basil Malik, founder and CEO of Malik Incorporated. If you're watching this, then in all of my unfiltered glory, let me save you some time by telling you what we're about. No fancy lights, no Hollywood magic, just me, a desktop setup, championing the work from home vibe, and a little expectation setting before you sink too much time into our website. At Malik Inc., we believe in bringing a human touch to software. Every project, every partnership, and every interaction starts with empathy, curiosity, and a genuine desire to make an impact. We're a team of software consultants who specialize in creating thoughtful solutions that deliver exceptional experiences for you, your teams, and your customers. That might mean deploying a customer relationship management system, building elegant integrated solutions people actually want to use, or helping you find creative ways to reduce the administrative burden for both large enterprises and small agile teams. Our goal is to build a mutually beneficial relationship, meeting you where you are and helping you find a better path forward. Sometimes that means tough conversations, or challenging the "we've always done it this way" status quo, or getting a little uncomfortable together as we move through change and transformation. Where others shy away, we roll up our sleeves and lean in. We embrace no small measure of chaos, but we do everything we can to make the experiences as enjoyable as practical. Whether you're a client, a collaborator, a partner, or just curious about what we do, know this: we're here to listen, learn, and grow with you. If what I've shared resonates, keep exploring our site and reach out when the time feels right. Use the contact page. And if we're not the right fit, that's okay too. Thanks again for stopping by. I look forward to connecting when the moment's right. Until then, take care. Bye.